So let's see today's lovely, delicious mango panna cotta, which is super easy to prepare. Now for the mango part, here I've taken 1 tablespoon of gelatin. This is 1/4 cup of cold water. I'm going to add this cold water to a bowl. Next, I'm going to add the gelatin. And we're going to whisk this really well till all of the gelatin dissolves in this cold water. This is very essential. Otherwise, you will get, kind of lumps in the mixture. So we want a very smooth gelatin mixture. So keep whisking it till all of the gelatin mixes in really, really well. And now we're just going to add this gelatin to 2 cups of mango pulp. So I've taken 2 large mangoes and taken out the pulp of the mangoes. Now whisk this in really, really well. Now I've taken my cupcake holder and I've kept the glasses at a slant like this. And we're going to pour this in this manner. Now for those of you who are beginners and want to know how to extract the pulp of the mango, you can watch the video till the end. I will show it to you how to extract the pulp from a mango. It's super simple. So pour the mixture in like this because you want to go in for a nice design which you can see at the end of the video. So once you've done this, just fill it up a little bit more. So it looks like this. Now we got to refrigerate this for 2 hours, which is very important for this to set. Now we're going to work on the panna cotta, that is the white portion of this lovely dessert. So for that I've taken 1 tablespoon of gelatin, 1/4 cup of cold water. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1.5 cup of fresh cream, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 cup of milk. So now again I'm going to add the water to the bowl and I'm going to add my gelatin to this water. And again we're going to whisk this in really well till all of the gelatin gets mixed in with the water. So this is a lovely, refreshing summer dessert which is very easy to prepare. Now I've heated up a saucepan. First I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Next we're going to add in the powdered sugar. Now all I've done is just taken half cup of regular sugar and powdered it in my mixer. You don't need to use icing sugar for this. Now mix the sugar in well till it dissolves in the milk. Now once the sugar dissolves, we're going to add our vanilla essence. Again mix it in well. Next we'll go in our gelatin which we have prepared. Mix everything really well. Now our flame is between low to medium and keep stirring continuously. And now I'm going to add the 1.5 cup of fresh cream. Now all we have to do after we added all the ingredients is to just keep stirring this mixture till it starts to thicken. So on a low to medium flame, continuously stirring, we're going to let this mixture thicken. Now I put my timer just to see how long it takes, and it took me exactly 8 minutes for it to come to the right thickness. So keep stirring till you get a nice thick mixture. And now after this we're going to let the mixture cool completely. So it has to come to room temperature. And now you can see that the mango part has set. And now all you have to do is just pour the panna cotta into the mango. Like this. So we get this beautiful design which you'll see in a short while once it sets. And now you're just going to put this into the refrigerator. For the first 15 minutes, you put it into the freezer, and then for the rest, you just put it into the normal fridge section. And you'll see after 2 hours, your lovely mango panna cotta is all ready. You can see the design that it's created. And now all you have to do is just garnish it with some chopped up mango. This is really delicious, guys. You must try this out. Now that we are in the mango season, do give this recipe a try. And for those of you who want to know how to extract the mango pulp, stick till the end of the video. So I hope you try out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye. I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.